friends, how would you like to make a beautiful vignette like this one for your bathroom? So stay tuned. But before I do that, I like to say that I will be participating in an open collaboration with a beautiful young lady, which is Pretty Things. And what she does home decor, shopping, crafting, and styling her home. So go over and show her some love. I will be leaving her link below and also a playlist of all the participants. Okay, here we go. Now, first of all, I just want you to know that everything that I'm placing on my vignette is I DIY'd it. I painted it, and I think I used show some pretty good colors. This is just white paint with elephant chalk paint, and I think I used the little black in it also. I painted it black, and then I did the white, and then I used the elephant chalk paint on it. And I'm gonna try to just tell y'all some of the things I'm using. Now this pit here, I got it from Big Lot, and that's the only thing that I really purchased. I try to find things around my house to use instead of going out paying a lot of money for stuff, and that it only cost me $2. And the little tray that I'm using, I got it for free. It's one lady, she was just she had a garage sale, but everything at her garage sale she gave it out free, and I thought that was just awesome. So I wiped it up, cleaned it up, and I just left it the color because I'm out that for that farmhouse look. And this little container here was one of those little dollar store planner that I painted it also. And I used the same colors. So I painted black, then I painted white, then I came back with the elephant chalk paint with it. And that was pretty cool. And I put the little beads in it to weigh it down because it kept falling. So I placed those little beads in it to make it a little heavy so it can stand up. And this little bench here, I think it was just so cute, and I got this for free also at the garage sale. And it's just a little old vintage piece that I think it used to be like a commode thing that it's just a show thing that they used to use long time ago. And I'm trying to cut this, and my scissors wouldn't work, so y'all be patient with me. So anyway, so I placed it and it fit just perfect, and I also, that's a DIY that I did, and I just painted it white and the elephant chalk paint, and I'm trying to keep it as a farmhouse look, and I think I did really excellent on that. And this was a mason jar that I used. I painted it also, and painted it black. Then I painted it white, and then I used the chalk paint elephant color with that. And then I just wrapped a little rope around it, and I thought it was cute. And I think I made something else. And these were here, I just got it from, I think I got it from a thrift store somewhere. And I'm going to make a wreath with it pretty soon. And this little ribbon, I only wanted the ribbon off this pumpkin, so I took the ribbon off and went on and glued it to my little bench that I had there. And I made that candle that's sitting in that jar there. I made the candle. It's been a while ago since I made it, and I just thought that little jar would be cute, and I'm so surprised it fit just well. And these beads here, it was an old necklace I had, and I wouldn't use it anymore. So I went on and did a DIY with it. I used some chalk paint and just chalk painted it and put the little rope on it. And they are so easy to make. Maybe one day I will do a video on that, on how I made that. Okay, so here's the final product that I did on this project. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did. And I just like to thank my subscribers. I'd like to thank my new subscribers for being with me today. If you hadn't already subscribed, please do. I would love to have you here in my home and be a part of my family. And also, please go over and check the playlist. And I'd like to thank Pretty Things for having this collab. She is such a wonderful person. So before I leave, I always like to say, be blessed, be safe, and always remember that God loves you so much, and so do I. Y'all have a blessed day, and please have a safe day. See you the next time. Bye-bye.